Hello everyone. In this video, we will study about the errors and mistakes in chaining, and also we will study about the corrections, that is tape corrections and chain corrections while calculating the horizontal distances. Okay. Now, while measuring the distances on actual field, the errors or mistakes can be occurred. Okay. Now, what is the difference between error and mistake? Error is nothing but which can be occurred um due to the fault in particular instrument. Okay. And mistakes are nothing but that which are occur due to the carelessness of the surveyor or chain man. Okay. Now, errors may be caused due to the temperature and pull variations, also the defects in the instruments, etc. So these errors are of two types. एक तो होता है compensating error and second one is your cumulative error. Okay. Now compensating error क्या होता है कि उसका नेम ही इंडिकेट करता है कि compensating error क्या होगा, which can be compensate. Okay. Now errors which may occur in both the directions, that is positive direction and negative direction, and these errors finally tend to compensate are called as compensating error. Okay. Now these errors, compensating errors, do not affect the survey work seriously. Okay. As these are the compensating errors, so these are compensating after the survey work has completed. Okay. Which can be compensate. So these errors cannot affect your survey work seriously. Now, the important part is these compensating errors are proportional to root L. L is nothing but your length of chain or length of line. Now, such errors, compensating errors, caused due to first incorrect holding of your chain, secondly horizontality and verticality not being properly maintained during the stepping operation, as I have already explained. On the sloping ground where steep slope is there, we can perform the stepping operation for chaining. Okay. And in that operation, if horizontality and verticality is not being properly maintained, then compensating errors occur. Okay. Now third part is fractional parts of chain and tape not being uniform, then also the compensating errors can occur. And the last one is inaccurate measurement of right angles with chain and tape. Okay. If right angles, if we can't measure the right angles with chain and tape accurately, then also the compensating errors occur. Now the second type is your cumulative error. What is mean by cumulative errors? Errors which may occur in the same direction and finally tend to accumulate is called as cumulative error. Compensating errors are tend to compensate, but cumulative errors are tend to accumulate. Okay. So these errors seriously affect your survey work. Okay. And also the cumulative errors are proportional to the length of line L. These are directly proportional to the line L, and the compensating errors are proportional to root of length of line. Okay. Now these errors can be positive or negative. Okay. Now positive errors occur when measured length is more than actual length. Okay. That means जो length हम लोग measure कर रहे हैं वो length आपकी actual length से ज़्यादा है. That means your chain is too short. That means suppose 60 meters की आपको length measure करनी है, तो आपको 30 meters के दो chain लगेंगी. ठीक है. बट इफ योर चेन इज टू शॉर्ट देन व्हाट हैपेंड, 30 मीटर्स की एक चेन डाली तो एक्चुअल वो 30 मीटर नहीं कैलकुलेट करेगा, वो समहाउ 28-25 कैलकुलेट करेगा. तो आपको एक और चेन डालनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है. इफ दैट चेन इज ऑल्सो स्मॉल देन अगेन इट विल कैलकुलेट 25-28. तो यहाँ पे दो चेन के अलावा आपको तीसरी एक और चेन लगेगी. तो आप जो टोटल डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो क्या होगा, 30 + 30 प्लस सम 10 मीटर्स और 20 मीटर्स. ओके. तो एक्चुअल आपका 60 है लेकिन आप कैलकुलेट कितना कर रहे हो, 70 और 75 मीटर्स. तो चेन आपकी टू शॉर्ट हुई तो पॉजिटिव एरर्स आएंगे. एंड व्हेन द चेन इज टू लॉन्ग then negative cumulative errors will occur. Okay, that means when measured length of line is less than actual length, that is chain is too long, then the negative cumulative errors will occur. Now this is all about the errors. Now what is mistakes? Mistakes is nothing but the errors which are occur due to the carelessness of chain man. Okay, these are caused due to the human beings only. Now what are the common mistakes? First mistake is displacements of arrows. एरोज हमने गलत जगह अगर पुट कर दिए तो भी मिस्टेक्स हो सकते हैं. अगेन while taking reading, if we are taking readings from the wrong end, then also mistakes are occur. Then the numbers may be read from the wrong directions. Also the full chain length may be added or omitted. Okay, so these are the common mistakes which occur due to the carelessness of chain man. Now the corrections, where errors are there, mistakes are there, corrections will occur. So there are different corrections. Tape corrections are different and also chain corrections are different. We'll see one by one. First is your tape correction. In tape correction there are 5 corrections. First is your temperature correction. How temperature correction occur? टेम्परेचर करेक्शन क्या होगा कि आपकी टेम्परेचर में जो भी चेंजेस आएंगे उसकी वजह से टेप और चेन में इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज ड्यू टू द राइज एंड fall of your temperature. So in that case temperature correction should be applied. Formula for temperature correction is CT, which is temperature correction, equals to alpha in bracket Tm minus T naught into L. Okay, where alpha is coefficient of thermal expansion, Tm is the temperature during the measurement. That means while you are measuring the distance, at that time what temperature is the at what time what is the temperature in degree Celsius, that temperature is your Tm. And at the when tape is standardized, at that time what is the temperature in degree Celsius is nothing but your T naught. Okay, L is length of your tape in meters. Now second one is your pull correction. Pull correction, during measurement the applied pull may either more or less, so at that time pull correction will occur. Okay, so the formula for pull correction is Cp equals to Pm minus P naught into L divided by A into E. As Tm and T naught are there, as the same Pm and P naught are there. Pm, that means pull at the time of measurement in kilograms, and P naught is the pull at the standard. So it is also in kilogram. L is nothing but your length of tape in meters. A is nothing but area of cross section of tape in centimeter square, and E is your modulus of elasticity. Now if modulus of elasticity is not known, Young's modulus, then we can assume it as a 2.1 into 10 raised to 6 kg per centimeter square. Third one is your slope correction. Slope correction can be calculated by using these formulas. Ch equals to L minus root of 1 square minus h square. Again These are again two formulas which can be used for calculating slope correction. Now, fourth one is your sag correction. Sag correction is necessary when the measurement is taken with the tape in suspension. Okay, in catenary, when measurements are taken, then the sag correction should be applied. Okay, CS equals to L omega L bracket square divided by 24 n square pm square, or CS equals to LW square divided by 24 n square pm square. Okay, now in this formula, when unit weight is considered, then we have to use this formula, and when total weight is considered, then we have to use this formula, because unit weight is given, so here we have multiplied by total length, and here total weight is given, so here directly we have taken total weight. Okay, now this is the normal tension. Normal tension is nothing but the tension at which effect of pull is neutralized by effect of sag. Okay, so that means your sag correction and pull correction have to be equalized, and we can find out the normal pull. Okay, this is all about the theory part of corrections and errors and mistakes. In next video we will study about the formulas regarding corrections. Thank you. Sorry, numericals regarding corrections. Thank you.